मेंबर।
सर
नहीं हो रहा।
सर, हम लोगों ने कितनी बार बोला, गवर्नमेंट भी बोला, जो इसे मिस एप्रोप्रिएशन के लिए बोल रहे हैं उसको जो साझा दे रहा है वो दे दो, लेकिन गरीब लोग जो है, जो काम किया है उसको पैसा अभी रुक दिया है, उसको पैसा तो दीजिए। कोई काम नहीं किया, पैसा के लिए क्लेम किया, उसको जो काटना है आइन मुताबिक वो काट लो, लेकिन जो काम किया है उसको पैसा देना चाहिए। सर मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, सर वी आर ऑल्सो हाउ दिस स्कीम प्रूव टू बी ए लाइफलाइन during for rural people COVID-19. Sir, my question to the honorable minister, whether the government is considering to increase the number of guaranteed work days from 100 to 150 and increase the wages and also bring priority in wages of across the states.
माननीय मंत्री जी।
Sir, there are three questions here asked. Number one, whether the wages have been increased. Sir, ever since 2013, before 2013 and 14, there was no proper mechanism to increase the wages. Ever since, the government of India has made CPI based on the agricultural labor annually. This came out around 6 to 7%, sir. If you look at over the last 5 years, cumulatively, we have increased the wages to 43%, sir. What that means, in state of Haryana, the highest is 374 rupees, sir. State of Kerala, State of Karnataka, close to 350 rupees, sir. The lowest wages in some of the northeastern states are around 234 rupees, sir. So the wages have been increased. That's number one. And number two, they asked the budget increase. Ever since 2020, at the time of COVID, sir, their budget estimate was 61,000 crores. However, because of the COVID, we have given 50,000 crores more money than ever in the history, sir. So that's 1,10,000 crores. Even if you look at the last 2 years, sir, budget estimate was 73,000 crores, but we have released close to 98,000 crore rupees, sir. So there is no question of not releasing the money and not increasing the money, sir.
श्री अदूर प्रकाश।
Sir, thank you very much for asking a supplementary question in this floor. Sir, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme in Kerala. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme in Kerala is witnessing a sharp decline in its workforce. Around 1.86 lakhs of workers opted out the scheme in this past year. Sir, delayed payment and low wages are the main reason for the distress among the workers.
Yes.
Parliamentary Standing Committee on Rural Development has also suggested for linking MGNREG's wages to inflation and increasing the workdays to 150. Sir, workers in Kerala have not received their wages since the last 3 months. An amount of 811 crore is due for the state of Kerala under the scheme. Sir, my question, whether the government will release
माननीय मंत्री
the
जी,
due amount to Kerala without delay and also take measures to address the issues of scheme workers, including wage revision and increasing the workdays.
Sir,
Sir.
Just as I mentioned, the wages are continuously increased every year based on the CPI of agricultural labor. And Kerala has one of the second highest wage, around 350 rupees, next to Haryana. That's number one. Number two, you said the wage, Kerala has already got close to 3,000 crore rupees this year alone. The last year you got 3,500 crores. Whatever the release of the payments is a continuous process, sir. As I said earlier, we have estimated a budget of around 85,000 crores and we have given all that money. Whatever is pending will be released within the next few weeks, sir. Thank you.
श्रीमती कनिमोजी।
Thank you, sir. Sir, the Narega scheme itself is demand driven, sir. And if you delay the payment by 15 days, you're supposed to pay it with interest to the workers. And in Tamil Nadu, including the material dues and the payment also, around 4,034 crores is pending for past 5 months. And the Chief Minister has also written to the Prime Minister, and we also met the Honorable Minister, who kindly said he will give us the dues as soon as possible, but we're still waiting, sir. When are you going to give us the dues? And it's 5 months delayed, so are you going to give it with interest?
Sir, actually this Narega Act was done by the UPA government, sir. According to the Act, please listen to the statistics. Let me answer. Sir, if there is a delay in payment after the 15th day, from day 16th onwards, there is 0.05% interest will be paid. And according to the Act, if there is a delay, first the state government will pay the delay. Third, the central government will reimburse that money. This is the Act, sir. But as I said, Tamil Nadu has already received 7,300 crores, sir. Earlier also I mentioned once again. Earlier also, sir, Tamil Nadu has a population of 7 crores. Uttar Pradesh has a population of 20 crores. But Uttar Pradesh draws close to 10,000 crores. Tamil Nadu draws more than 10,000 crores, sir. So there is no question of not giving money, sir.
Question number 344. Shri Anup Sanjay Dotre.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 344
मंत्री विवरण पटल पर रख दिया गया है।
थैंक यू स्पीकर सर।
Honorable member.
थैंक यू स्पीकर सर। सर, मैं माननीय मोदी जी के, माननीय कृषि मंत्री जी के और कैबिनेट के आभार मानता हूं कि प्याज के किसानों को जो एक्सपोर्ट ड्यूटी थी वो 20% से अपने सरकार ने 0% की है। आज महाराष्ट्र में प्याज के किसान इसके लिए खुशी मना रहे हैं। मेरा प्रश्न माननीय मंत्री जी से है कि प्याज जो है जिसमें 89% वाटर कंटेंट होता है, तो क्या उसके स्टोरेज के लिए सरकार विशेष रूप से कोल्ड स्टोरेज बनाएंगी जिसमें एग्जॉस्ट सिस्टम हो और जो विशेष रूप से प्याज को स्टोर करने के लिए बनाया जाएगा, क्योंकि प्याज की पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट लॉस जो है वो भारत में जब लगभग 40% है। मेरी माननीय मंत्री जी से विनती है।
माननीय मंत्री जी।
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय,